Bright and early, man. About to get to it. About to change that oil. About to get busy with it. As y'all can see, ain't no TA, no petrol, no loves, no pilot, no nothing. Speed code, nothing around, man. About to get to it myself, man. Ain't about nothing. It's light work. Real easy. Basically a free oil change. I just got to do it myself. Free labor, but free oil change basically. Had the oil already. Had the Lucas already. Drain pans. Been had them. Oil filters, creeper. Been had all this. Been doing this since day one, man. Real owner operators, man. They change their own oil. Do their own PMs, man. They do everything, man. Real owner operators, man. Stop being lazy, man.